And it's amazing brunch, but I totally forgot to do breakfast. I'm talking to myself. Good morning. So early. We stayed up till like 2 a.m. and it's only 7 a.m. It is so beautiful. I just woke up, so it's just like, doesn't matter. Once I wake up, I'm awake. So it's very hard for me to go back to sleep. It is so gorgeous. I'll probably have to take a nap today. I'm looking out here and it's just like it's beautiful. It's just the calm, serene, quiet time. Oh, so nice. I enjoy this time so much. Just being out here and watching the ocean go by. It's a little on the cooler side, which we didn't expect. But once we get into the Amber Cove, it's supposed to be 80. It'll be nice. I'm still going to put shorts on today because that's what I do. Oh. And I think I'm going to go out and explore a little bit. Send a message to our friends saying that I'm awake. But they're probably not awake. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to get myself together. So let's do that first. And it's amazing brunch, but I totally forgot to do breakfast. I'm talking to myself. You know, it's just me talking to myself.
Yeah. I'm sleeping with a weirdo.
So let me give you a quick room tour. We have kind of our stuff all over the place, but that's okay. That's how I kind of like to show it, just so you can see everything in its place. I hope all the underwear and everything's put away. So of course you have a wonderful door. I will show you the bathroom later, which is in here. But you've seen both bathrooms. So, but Letty's in the shower right now, and that's not this kind of video. So you have 3 hooks up here. And then our temperature and stuff is over here by the door. Of course, you have, I put a card in here. I carry around these RFID blocking cards. I usually have 2 or 3 of them with me, depending on what I'm carrying. And I can throw one in here, make that easy. And then light switches. It's very, very fancy here. I get to show you light switches. And then you have all your safety stuff. It's 2 great big closets. So you have one great big set there that Letty is enjoying. And then I have the one that's closest to the door. All right, let me show you how I organize the closet. I have not brought that much stuff, so you can see that's very little. But I have a couple blouses that I hang up. These are the 2 that I wear all the time. So I don't even need to do like a photo anymore because that's what you see. I only brought 1 cover up, and then I have my 1 sweater and then a rain jacket because we heard it may have a little bit of rain coming. So that is it. And then how I organize is I put all my shore excursion on 1 shelf. So I know, like, I have my backpack, which has stuff inside of it, like sunglasses, suntan lotion, all that good, or sunscreen and all that stuff. And then bathing suits, and then my GoPro stuff. And then down here, I have my shorts and tank tops, and I have my t-shirt on. I only brought 1 t-shirt, hoping to buy one. And then I have, let's see if I can see down here, all my styling tools, and I usually keep my makeup and stuff like that. It's in the bathroom right now, but that'll be like kind of my hair stuff and makeup. And then over here, well, we have a safe. And then these 2, I love having these baskets. We had them on the Mardi Gras. And I keep my underwear, packing cube here, and my pajamas. And then in this one, I put my dirty clothes, or my clothes that have been used. So all the dirty clothes will go inside that packing cube, and then I'll just zip it up, throw it in my suitcase. And then these are the ones that I've used but are gently used. So that way I know I can still use them again, but I put them here. And then here I have all my shoes. So sandals, 2 pairs of flip-flops, well there's only one there, but tennis shoes and my water shoes, and then I have my water pouch there. And then I have already gone shopping. So of course Letty's closet is in here, so that's her stuff, so I'm not going to show it, but it's pretty much the same, except I don't know if it has the baskets. Does it have the baskets? No, no baskets. All right, and then a couple shelves here. And then all my electronics are on this side. And Letty's stuff is on that side. It's a very nice counter for 2 people. So then we have a little fridge with some Coke Zero and some wine. And then 3 drawers. And then this one has the hair dryer, which is nice. Not so I could actually use it somewhere else. And then this one just has like a lot of your paper documents and stuff. It's a little smaller one. Chair, that top piece flips over for like a tray if you wanted to use that. Oh, and there was one more drawer. This can make into a bed. This nice little couch here can make into a bed. We've been enjoying sitting on that. It's nice having the blue colors rather than the greens that are in the old style. I love the mirror. You know me and this mirror. Oh, it's my favorite mirror. I love that they've been putting them on the ships. Our room is made up with 2 twin beds, nice sized TV, and then of course we've got a balcony. Pretty standard balcony. Yeah, it's got the 2 chairs, the table, and a nice view of the ocean. Alright, we're down here. Look, Letty's finally up. Having a good time. Our friends. So we're at the $10 sale. Buy 3, get 1 free. I looked. I don't need anything amazing. I don't need anything. But they do have some pretty cool stuff. Like if I didn't have one of these, I'd probably get one. But I have one, so.
Well, this could be used for something else too, not just wet stuff. Yeah, she said it, not me. But like for our cameras and stuff to protect them and stuff.
Yeah.
And stuff. Wet stuff.
Wet stuff.
It's a wet
stuff. Oh yeah, I know. I saw one in the Serenity area. So, all right, it's been just a really calm sea day. I really do like that there's just 1 sea day and then there's 2 on the end. I've said that before. It's my favorite type of itinerary. If there's 4 port days, that's okay too. But for the normal like 3-day, like 7-day cruise, there's usually 3 ports. So I like 2 on the end, so that way you still have a 1 day of chill and then 1 day where you have to pack to go home. So that's kind of how that goes. Nothing you can do about it. Oh, anyway, oh yeah, this is great. Been a really great sea day. Nice wind, perfect like 80-degree weather. So great.
will you give them a huge round of applause? Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm overwhelmed by the silence that I just heard. You'll do it for me. Okay, I've got at least one man to mind. Will you do that for me?
Yes!
The first officer I'm delighted to introduce you to oversees all aspects of hospitality aboard this floating hotel. Everything you experience as a guest, he is responsible for. The ship's hotel director, Pavel. Mention the engine room. I didn't tell you what the team down there does. They provide the ship with our power. Not just our power for propulsion, but also our electricity, our air conditioning, our fresh water. They help us with that and so much more. So please put your hands together in appreciation for the ship's chief engineer, Vitorino. It is an honor to introduce to you the master of the vessel, the captain of Carnival's flagship vessel, the beautiful Celebration. The one man responsible for each and every single one of us, for our safe passage from Miami down to the beautiful ports of the Caribbean and back again. And he is the only man that can change his mind and make this 7-day vacation into a 14-day vacation. No, listen, I'm not making any promises, but if you treat him well enough, he might just decide to keep you. Friends, put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Captain Andrea Catalani.
Thank you everyone, and welcome on board. Well, Lee, come closer. Now, there is still one very important one to be introduced. That is Lee, our #1 cruiser.
Yes!
Well, I'm telling you, Lee has been nominated as, well, actually he won the prize as the best cruise director of the year 2022. And that was from Portal magazine. Yeah, but now the bad news is that we are now in 2023.